I don't know if it's filming. Damn, they're cute. Don't eat mommy's products. She has to sell them, honey. Can you bring it closer? Because his head looks huge right now. Because of the perspective. What the? Where are you reaching, honey? Well, I hope he has more hairs at some point. Son, are you going to grow hair? Are you planning to grow hair? Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut off soon.
No.
Okay, guys, say goodbye to the camera. One.
Wait, did you show that?
What?
The fingers?
Oh, come on. One, two. One, two, two.